Look, Stel. Happy vacation.
Where's the deal go?
I got her if you got Stel. I was looking for you. Where are you going?
CD.
I know, but open it. I think it's empty. Other side. What's in there? The Sound of Music.
Oh man.
Disappointing?
Yeah.
What did you want it to be in there?
This CD, but I like that CD a lot.
You know what? I think it's at Noni and Poppy's house. Here, look at me. Do you want to go fishing, Amelia?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very nice.
What does that mean, Amelia? Amelia, come over here.